Renoster 1500W Power Inverter DC 12V to AC 120V with LCD display wireless rechargeable remote control. Powerful Inverter Car Converter provides 1500W continuous DC to AC power, not continuous output, up to 3000W surge capacity, featuring with 3 AC outlets and 1 USB charging port. Modified Sine Wave Car Inverter converts 12V DC battery power to standard 120V AC. Connect DC battery cables directly to your vehicle's battery, and you have power on the go. Modified Sine Wave Car Power Converter with 3 AC outlets, 2.1A USB for RV outdoor camping. Digital LCD display and rechargeable wireless remote control. There are LCD display and inverter and remote control. It can show battery power, input-output voltage, current, output power, alarm signal and protection indication in time. Convenient for you to master the inverter working status and control it. The control distance can be up to 394 in 10 meters, even cross the wall, when using the remote control. White application powering larger devices that are under 1500 watts, such as power tools, blenders, floodlight, office tools, portable equipment, large electrical devices, vacuums, laptops, TV, freezer or any other household appliances, recharging camera, phone, iPad. For vehicles and medical rescue, communications device, emergency equipment, yachts, hurricane, storm, an outage, etc. Ideal for driving trips, campsites, outdoor needs, remote job sites or anywhere that AC power is needed. All-round protection, built-in 10x35A mini slip fuse, smart digital display, cooling fan, audible alarm, automatic shutdown, protection against overvoltage, low voltage, overload, short circuit, overheat. Equipped with smart cooling fan makes the car power inverter silent when operating. Automatically rotate at different speeds according to power load and temperature. It can protect the inverter against overheating. Red light is under protection, shut down, and green. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.